Since the earlier days of Industrial Revolution, steam is used to power machinery and also used as a medium of distributing heat. Today, the excellent heat transfer properties of steam and the ease with which it can be distributed and controlled have led to its wide impact in industries both big and small. And so, SME clusters in our country today are dotted with large number of small boilers and chimneys. The use of steam in industries is so widespread that nearly half of industrial fuel consumption goes to the generation of steam. This has led to very adverse effect on the environment, as most of these small boilers are without state-of-the-art emission control systems and lack operating efficiency. And that is resulting into excessive pollution of our environment, wastage of precious fuels used, and various occupational health problems to the population exposed and living nearby. Not only this, even safety practices and protocols are not maintained scrupulously. Our today and tomorrow demands that this steam, which is so precious to the industries, is produced with minimum effect to the environment in terms of pollution and also improve upon fuel efficiency. Steamhouse understands this and has designed its new project of steam generation and distribution to reverse the environmental damage caused by these small boilers and also to improve safe working conditions for workers in SME clusters. Steamhouse today has embarked upon a mission of installing large efficient community boilers with state-of-the-art emission control system and to generate as well as supply the required steam to respective industrial units through modern pipelines.
Steam house means steam generation. This steam generation is for the purpose of delivering to the adjoining small industries. Every industry has got their own small boiler, but pollution control equipments are relatively not there. Because of that, whatsoever the flue gas discharged to the atmosphere contain particles and heat also. The reliability of those boilers are relatively less, and so immediately they are going to affect their own organization. In this project, we are having a backup from the Gujarat Pollution Control Board also, because they find this is one of the prime projects where the pollution could be minimized.
Steamhouse benefits in reduced air pollution. It is easy to monitor for the State Pollution Control Board. It has increased safety in the estate. Allows industries to save space for more production. And increase humanity by providing safe working conditions. Steamhouse is a project by Sanju Group of Companies, a textile company established in 1978. To keep tab on quality of coal received, raw water and boiler feed water, an in-house laboratory is functioning, where latest state-of-art computerized laboratory equipments are there. This helps in maintaining the steam quality and monitoring boiler performance. As per the comparison done between conventional project of steam generation and Steamhouse, we have come up with certain parameters. Boiler. Furnace. Engineers. Control panel. Steam pipeline. chimney. Space.
Steam House is going to be India's first community boiler company. You know, the boilers will run on fluidized bed coal-fired system. Here the efficiency would be high. The safety would be high. We will have cross-country steam pipelines spreading in kilometers. They'll be all on steel structures of 8 meters height. We have a 24-hour safety team to handle all kind of emergencies with proper communication system. Our target is to do it in several clusters all over the country to help industries grow with us with a proper sustainable environment without hurting the environment.
To ensure total combustion of the coal, highly efficient large capacity boilers based on fluidized bed boiler technology are being installed. The fuel will be burnt at a controlled temperature of 760 degrees to 930 degrees Celsius to prevent nitrogen oxide from forming. To check escape of SO2 in the atmosphere, sulfur-absorbing chemicals such as limestone or dolomite will be injected to mix with the fuel particles in the fluidization phase, which will absorb almost 95% of the sulfur pollutants. Fine particles of partly burnt coal, ash and bed material are carried along with the flue gases to the upper area of the furnace and then into a cyclone. In the cyclone, the heavier particles separate from the gas and falls to the hopper of the cyclone. This returns to the furnace for recirculation. For further elimination of residual pollutants, electrostatic precipitators would be installed. In addition, an air preheater to recover and use productively the heat from the flue gas would be installed prior to cyclone separator. This would also reduce temperature of the flue gas emitting into the atmosphere. The project runs under the supervision of highly skilled and trained professionals, taking care of each and every aspect regarding steam generation. The APCM are properly taken care of, as guideline principle of this project is to help environment regain its original state. Steam House. Because let us grow together.